Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. So, let's get started. Our first official method and free method is using Move to iOS device. On your Android device, download and install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store. Open the Move to iOS app on your Android device and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, enter the 6 or 10-digit code displayed on your iPhone. Select the WhatsApp data you want to transfer along with other content and wait for the transfer process to complete. Now for our another official method, firstly go to your WhatsApp settings, then go to the chats. Inside chat, tap on the chat's backup and tap on the backup to create a backup of your WhatsApp chat and media to Google Drive. Now go to the Google Play Store and download iCare from the Google Play Store. After that, simply open the iCare and verify your phone number and follow the prompts to restore your WhatsApp chats and media from the backup you created earlier on Google Drive. So that is it. By following these steps, you can transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android device to your iPhone using official methods provided by Apple and third-party software. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.